In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to another GoDaddy account. If you need to move a domain from one GoDaddy account to someone else's account, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start the transfers from inside your GoDaddy domain portfolio and send the request to the new recipient correctly so they can accept it on their end. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the area where all of your domains are listed and managed. Once you're there, find the specific domain you want to move and select it. Make sure you choose the correct domain before continuing, especially if you manage several at once, because the transfer request will apply only to the domain you've selected. After selecting the domain, look for the option that says transfer to another account and click it. This opens the account transfer form where you'll enter the details for the person who will receive the domain. This step is important because it tells GoDaddy exactly where the domain should be sent. In the recipient field, enter the recipient's GoDaddy email address. This should be the email connected to their GoDaddy account. So it's a good idea to double check it for accuracy before moving on. You may also see a field for the recipient's customer number. This part is optional, but if you have it, adding it can help make sure the domain goes to the correct account more smoothly. Once those details are entered, click Send Transfer Request. At that point, GoDaddy will send an email invitation to the recipient. The transfer is not completed instantly because the recipient still needs to accept that email invitation in order to finalize the move. So if you're coordinating this transfer with someone else, it's helpful to let them know to watch for the email and respond to it promptly. And that's it. The main part of the process is selecting the right domain, choosing the transfer option, entering the recipient's account information carefully, and sending the request. As long as the recipient accepts the invitation, the domain can then be moved into their GoDaddy account. If you're following along, take your time with each screen and review the information before you send the request. That small extra check can help avoid delays and make the transfer process much smoother.